fighting.
Yeah, we will get you from there. Just take it easy. We'll be here for you guys. We're not going to leave you.
It is difficult to fathom what has become of Haiti and of the United Nations in this country. For the United Nations, this tragic event was the worst in its history.
International urban search and rescue teams, and these teams are from 23 countries.
If you need help, I need you to tell me as soon as possible, and we'll send you somebody.
We've got a team of 6 and a dog ready to be deployed.
Okay, we're going to give you another something.
We're going to try to feed her an IV tube so she can drink from the IV tube.
I was out today with the president of Haiti, and we discussed the search and rescue phase and how long we want to continue. And his words were, we need to continue as long as the population thinks there's hope.
Mommy, I'm okay. You see me. That's not my mommy. That's me.
Shocking sight to see the presidential palace collapse like that, but all these people here, very calm, very rational, but they're desperate for help. They want to see the results soon, and we understand that.
An urgent relief effort to help the people of Haiti affected by this appalling tragedy.
Today the humanitarian work is moving on. Today the UN launched an appeal for $500 million for the relief work in the coming 6 months.
Please remember the coordination is done there at the cluster meetings. It's just sending information on what you have done. The most important information well.
All of the staff who were formerly working in the headquarters that was destroyed have moved here, so we're living and working in offices. We've taken over offices belonging to colleagues. We're now very crowded, sleeping on the floor, sleeping on the grass outside at night, eating ration packs.
Under the circumstances, the best has been done, the best we can.
The surf has become an extremely useful tool for agencies such as our own. We received over 5 million very quickly for our response here in Haiti. It allows us to buy food quickly, to decide where we want to buy that food, to try and get it as close to the place where it's needed here in Haiti as possible. It's become such a valuable tool in terms of assisting our quick response to sudden onset emergencies, but also for the quiet emergencies that perhaps the rest of the world is not so aware of.
We got $1.1 million from the SURF. That is the funding that lets us start the operation and get the products that are needed to make sure that we get those vital relief supplies to people when they need them the most.
We lack supplies, medication and equipment. But at day 5, we had a lot of supplies. We continue to receive as we ask.
We're doing everything we can, and when I say we, I mean the United Nations large, the United Nations family in Haiti, plus the assistance from the international community and the donors, to doing everything we can to get the aid to those who need it most as quickly as possible.
Haiti needs so much assistance right now. If there's any time, this is the time that Haiti needs help and needs specialized help. Right now, my job is to be here and work here.